Hi everyone, welcome to Creating with Ali. Today we're going to make this little wallet. Ali. Today we're going to make a cute little wallet just like this, which will open up, have some pockets there where you can add a few different comments to the person you're giving it to, and there's enough room in the back to fit a gift card. So you'll be able to give this as a present with a gift card in the back and a few messages. I've created a Cricut file for this. So I made this one as a little bit of a prototype, and access to the Cricut file to make this little wallet is going to be put in the description below. So when you go through and you do the cuts for this wallet, what you will end up with, I'm just going to make one today, you will have one flat piece which has been scored in the areas that you need to be able to make the actual base. You will have 4 different envelope pieces, and you will have one of these shape pieces to make the closure pocket at the base. There is a third file that will allow you to cut a star shape. This is in the same template that I'll give you, and 2 hearts. However, for this one I just cancelled that last page because I wanted to embellish with some of the materials that I had here at home. So let's go ahead and put the basics together. So what you'll have is a score line on each side. You may need to best have a scoring tool here so that you can give it a really good going over. Make those edges nice and sharp. So I've used double-sided pattern paper. That means that when I do my first 2 cuts, I'm only really using 2 pieces of pattern paper to make this. So again, score lines in the middle there. And then we're going to open that up because there are 2 more score lines here to fold on, and they are the ones that are giving you the thirds. So this one there. Just make it out, there it is. Opening this back up. Fold that in half, and then you need to fold these across into thirds. So just make sure I keep that lined up. Actually, and you need to put in some double-sided tape. I use 2 pieces at each end just to make sure that it's secure. The link that I give you today is to a Cricut design space file. So it's not the SVG, it's the Cricut design space file. Because I created this using Design Space and not Inkscape. And I've basically put this together in Cricut Design based on some of the wallets, origami wallets that I'd seen online and that other people were making. So I created the shapes and folds based on those. So there we go. And we'll just put some double-sided tape on this side. And that's the basic wallet. We'll put it there. Now we're going to put the pocket pockets in. So there's 4. You'll have 2 that are the same size, and then you'll have 2 that are marginally smaller. These are also double-sided, so you can flip them around and use them differently, which I'm going to do here. So you just fold on those tab lines that have been scored for you. And this one will go down first on this side, just center it up. This last piece here is the piece that will wrap around and close this one off. So again, double-sided, I'm going to use this side just to give it a little bit something, make it look a bit different. So for this one, using your score folds and your bone folder just to give it a good score down. And then I'm going to use some of this tape for the first one. Make sure I hold that in place. Then that goes on the back. So just run 2 pieces of double-sided tape. If you had some stronghold tape, you could just use that too. I'm using 2 here just because it's thick and I want it to really hold properly. There we go, and that can fold around. Now if it does have a little piece that comes up, just grab your scissors and trim it off. If you don't want to see that little bit of paper, there we go. So now you need to put something on the front that'll help hold that down, and that's where these other pieces come in handy. Ones like these love hearts. And I used the love hearts on the toast to you as well that you saw before, but you can use other items as well, so it's totally up to you what you'd like to use. And then you can go ahead and decorate off the front. Keep this one really simple. So this would be a really nice one for a Valentine's Day gift or a Mother's Day gift perhaps. Got this one for a friend, and I'm just going to make up another one as well and show you all 3. Wallet, and I've made a Christmas one here as well, dashing through the snow, which would make for a really good Christmas gift. Again, you can fill that through with Christmas cheer, some stickers, and put a gift card here in the back, which does actually fit in there. So these will make really good gifts for friends at work or family underneath the tree or in a stocking. So there you have it, these wonderful little wallets, little origami wallets that can be used for a gift card. If you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a like And if you enjoy what I'm doing, subscribe to the channel. And until the next video, happy crafting. I'll see you next time.